convergence there, sort of hybrid. So I have an infatuation for niche. I have like
the universe is acausal, right? Acausal basically mean that you can't find a correlation between cause and effect, right? There's this perfect synchronistic alignment, but you can't find the connection.
Right.
You need to now.
This lecture is centered around a self-referential and empirical analysis only.
I mean, look at solipsism. Solipsism has this postulation that all external stimuli is a mirror to my parents on this show.
Okay.
Yeah. For a number of reasons.
Okay. Can you give us any of those reasons?
No particular reason.
Hallucination. I felt obligated to learn.
In music, you have also sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.